Welcome to Top 5 Report. The Best Ninja Books is probably one of the most sought-after items for aspiring martial artists and seasoned practitioners alike, offering a gateway to mastering the ancient arts of stealth, combat, and discipline. These aren't just books, they are meticulously crafted guides, filled with the wisdom of generations, designed to transform your understanding and application of ninja techniques, from the subtle art of silent movement to the devastating effectiveness of specialized weaponry. Whether you're looking to deepen your knowledge of historical ninja clans, learn the philosophy behind their way of life, or acquire practical skills for self-defense and personal growth, the right ninja book can be an invaluable companion on your journey. Number 5. Magic Tree House, Night of the Ninjas. Join Jack and Annie on a thrilling adventure in ancient Japan. They've been sent back in time to learn the secrets of the ninjas. Will they be able to complete their mission? Our heroes find themselves in a mysterious land, facing a daunting challenge. They must master the ways of the ninjas to succeed. The fate of their mission rests on their ability to learn quickly. Discover the ancient art of stealth and strategy. Learn how ninjas moved unseen and unheard. This journey will test their courage and their wits like never before. As they delve deeper into the world of ninjas, danger surrounds them. They must use all their newfound skills to navigate treacherous paths. Can they overcome the obstacles in their way? With time running out, Jack and Annie must prove themselves. They need to gather the knowledge they came for and return home safely. Their adventure is filled with excitement and suspense. Experience the excitement as they face their final test. Will they achieve their goal and unlock the secrets of the ninjas? Find out in this captivating installment of the Magic Tree House series. What we like. This book offers a thrilling historical adventure with a touch of magic. If you love exploring different time periods and enjoy a fast-paced story, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for young readers who want excitement and education combined. What people say. This series is so wholesome, the way the siblings interact with each other, express doubt, apologize, and move through adventures together, it's such a joy. It can be simplistic in writing style, lots of Jack said or said Annie, but that's what makes it so easy for new readers to get addicted to the series and start reading independently. I like that there is history mixed in with a fun story. The characters Jack and Annie are very relatable. Number 4. Ninja Life Hacks Emotions and Feelings 8-Book Box Set. Discover a world of feelings with this exciting 8-book box set. It's a fun way for young readers to understand and navigate their emotions. Join our ninja friends as they experience a range of emotions, from feeling angry and grumpy to being helpful and kind. Each book explores a different feeling. Discover how to handle anger and channel your inner inventor. These stories help children understand big feelings and find creative solutions. Learn the power of a positive attitude and how to tackle laziness. This set encourages a can-do spirit and a healthy mindset. Explore the joy of being helpful and learn about caring for our planet. These books foster empathy and environmental consciousness. Navigate the ups and downs of feeling grumpy and the warmth of being kind. These relatable stories help children build emotional intelligence. This comprehensive set provides a valuable resource for parents and educators. It's an engaging way to support children's emotional development. What we like. This box set is fantastic for teaching children about a wide range of emotions. If you are looking for a way to help your child understand and manage their feelings, this collection is invaluable. It's perfect for parents and educators aiming to foster emotional literacy. What people say. Beautifully brightly colored set and great quality. These books are amazing for younger kids who are having a hard time regulating emotions. Good quality book and good storylines for them to understand how to handle their emotion. These books are great, they give realistic examples of how feelings come about and what to do with them. These books do a good job of prompting conversations with my babies. Number 3. Ninja Life Hacks Growth Mindset 8-Book Box Set. Discover the power of a growth mindset with this comprehensive 8-book box set. It's designed to help you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Explore key areas like perfectionism, financial intelligence, and managing anxiety. These books provide practical strategies for personal development. Learn to cultivate grit and resilience in the face of adversity. These tools will empower you to bounce back stronger from setbacks. Address common personal challenges such as shyness and dishonesty. Gain insights and techniques to foster authenticity and confidence. Understand the importance of diversity and learn how to unplug from distractions. These books offer guidance for a more balanced and inclusive life. This collection is your essential guide to personal growth and self-improvement. Start your journey today and transform your life. What we like. This set focuses on building a strong growth mindset and resilience in young minds. If you want to encourage perseverance and a positive outlook in your child, these books are a great resource. They are ideal for children who need a boost in confidence and a can-do attitude. What people say. These are so helpful to help kids understand their emotions. The books are written very well and are relatable to him. It has been so helpful. Plan on purchasing the whole Ninja line since it has been so helpful. Number 2. Ninja Foodi Grill Cookbook for Beginners. Unlock the full potential of your indoor grill and air fryer. This cookbook is your essential guide to achieving perfect results every time. Discover 75 mouth-watering recipes designed specifically for your appliance. From simple weeknight meals to impressive dishes, there's something for everyone. New to indoor grilling or air frying? We've got you covered with easy-to-follow instructions and tips. Start cooking like a pro from day one. Enjoy the taste of grilled food year-round, right in your kitchen. Achieve that perfect char and smoky flavor without the hassle. Experience the magic of air frying for crispy, golden results. Make your favorite foods healthier and more delicious with this versatile cooking method. This cookbook is more than just recipes, it's your partner in creating amazing meals. Elevate your home cooking with ease and confidence. What we like. This cookbook is designed for anyone new to indoor grilling and air frying. If you've just got a Ninja Foodi grill and want easy, delicious recipes, this is for you. It's perfect for those who want to achieve grilling perfection without the hassle. What people say. Lots of flavorful recipes inside. This book has inspiring recipes. The recipes are simple and easy to follow. Number 1. Unplugged Ninja, Children's Book. Does your child spend too much time on screens? It's a common challenge in today's digital world. This book introduces a fun character who learns to balance technology with other activities. It's a story about finding harmony. We explore the difficulties kids face with excessive screen time. It often impacts their daily lives and well-being. Discover practical ways to help children manage their technology use. The goal is to create a healthier relationship with devices. Learn valuable Ninja life hacks that promote balance and mindfulness. These tips are designed for young readers to understand and apply. This engaging book offers a relatable narrative for both children and parents. It's a guide to navigating the digital age together. What we like. This book provides a gentle introduction to managing technology and screen time. If you're seeking a story to help your child find balance in a digital world, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for families looking to encourage unplugged activities and mindfulness. What people say. It has worked extremely well for me to communicate with my son, how to be observant of his own temperament, level of irritability, and when it's time to reset. This Unplugged Ninja story had the best message for them. It also, like all the other Ninja books, offered 4 solutions to understand the message. What a fun way to remind us all to find a balance with screen time. The bright illustrations and playful characters make it easy for kids to put down their screens and read this book. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.